Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be changing the air filter on this BMW. It's a 330i from 2005 and it's a pretty straightforward job. For today's repair we're going to need some tools and we're going to need the new air filter. It takes about 15 minutes to do, not too technical. I think most people can do this from home, so save yourself a few quid and do it yourself. So the first thing we're going to do is open the bonnet. You'll latch down here. Okay, so this is the engine bay and your air filter is located here. So if we take these screws out, you'll unlock this area and then we'll be able to change the air filter. So let's get to it. All right, so the bit you're gonna need, T20 bit on a ratchet to undo these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws. So we've got the screwdriver set up here with the T20 bit on it and you should undo all 7 screws. There's 2 little tabs here. You're gonna push these down to release this part. You might need a screwdriver for this part. Right, I just got myself a little flat. 1 little tab in here, and 1 little tab on the other side. There we go. So now this is off, we'll just put this to the side. Still got all 7 screws in it. Okay, so for this, we need to push down. There's 2 tabs, 1 on each side. If you push down each side, I use a flat screwdriver to push it in a bit more because my hands couldn't really get in there. Once we pushed it in, just pops out like this. Okay, so this air filter's been in there for about a year. It's a Bosch air filter, you can see. It's gathered quite a lot of dirt in there. Is due for a change for that dirt, so it's definitely due a new air filter. You can see all that dirt inside. So these are the 2 tabs, so you push it and then slide it out. Right, onto the new air filter now. This is a Bosch air filter. I'm in the UK, so I bought this from a shop called Euro Car Parts. It's about £13. It's not expensive at all. It takes you about 10-15 minutes if you've got those tools. That's like a £30 set. And I'll let you change this air filter once a year. This is what a new one looks like. Pretty clean compared to that one. Right, this installation is going to be very straightforward. This just sits in there and it clicks in, and that's about it. So you put it into where it's meant to sit, push it back, then you should hear a click. There we go. There's 2 clicks there. That's either side. And that's nice and strong in there now. Now we put the cover back on. So you want to put this, wedge the left side in first, click that in, and then press it down. There's 2 tabs. There's 1 tab here, 1 tab there. 1 tab's clicked. This side's in as well. Okay, now just to line up all the screws. Okay, we need that T20 bit again, which is here. And just line up all the screws. So those 2 clips, 1 on each side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws. And that's how quick and easy it was to change the air filter in this 330i, which has the N52 engine in it. If you'd like to see any more videos or content around this car, let us know in the comment section below, and then we'll be able to make more content for you guys. So thank you very much guys, see you at the next one.